I'm not throwing this one. So we got another package. One of my favorite iPhones that I've ever owned was my blue iPhone XR jailbroken running iOS 14 back in late 2022. Only owned it for a month, even though I had wanted a blue iPhone XR since it came out, and ended up selling it just about a month after I got it. I regretted that decision less than a week later and have contemplated getting another one ever since, but really haven't gotten around to it. It's been 541 days, and I finally got my hands on another one. Let's go ahead and get this box open. Looks like this is a reused priority mail box, but it's cool. And here we have the iPhone XR inside some bubble wrap. I have seriously been wanting another one of these for so long. I can't believe I finally got my hands on another one. Here it is, and man, is this beautiful. I got my hands on this for only a mere $120, which I think is a really good deal, as I sold my last one for $180. Take a look at the screen, and you can see it's not perfect. It's got some cracks at the top and around the bottom. The frame is in, I'd say, 8 out of 10 condition. I'm definitely satisfied with the condition for what I paid for it, as when I saw this deal, I honestly didn't even look at it much before I bought it. Now I can't wait any longer, so let's go ahead and boot this phone up and finally take a look at it after hundreds of days of wanting another one. As you can see, it's booted up to the iOS 14 setup screen. So without further ado, let's set this iPhone XR up. Go to English, United States, and you can see that beautiful iOS 14 wallpaper. Set up manually. Let me connect to Wi-Fi. We'll give the phone just a moment to activate. And the seller claimed that the iPhone is Find My iPhone off, although I did not do an IMEI check. They also claimed that it's carrier unlocked, but like I said, an IMEI check was not done, so we'll have to find out later. Of course, it was Find My iPhone off, thank God. We'll go ahead and continue, and let's test out Face ID. Face ID worked perfectly, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave it set up. Let me set a passcode real quick. All right. Now I am just gonna go ahead and set this phone up like I usually would, as I really don't feel like resetting and setting this phone up again. We won't transfer anything, and let me sign in with my Apple ID real quick. We'll go ahead and use the code that I received on my iOS 14.6 iPhone 12 mini. I just had to go ahead and show this off again. Let's just look at the size difference. This is incredible. We'll agree, and we'll wait for the phone to sign into iCloud. Looks like we're signed in. We'll go ahead and continue with Express settings. I'll block OTA updates later. We'll set up Apple Pay later. I'll set up Siri real quick. We'll share audio recordings. We'll continue with screen time. I guess we'll share them. And this phone does have the original display, so we can see True Tone. Now the next thing to do with this phone is to replace the display. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the time to get somebody to retain the True Tone, but I will definitely keep the original screen so that I can do it at a later date. We'll continue. We're gonna go with dark mode, and we're gonna use the standard zoom. And now it's time to get started. Here we have a beautiful blue iPhone XR running iOS 14. And we'll go ahead and confirm that this iPhone is running iOS 14.4.1. You can see iOS 14.4.1 is a 64 gigabyte and has no SIM restrictions. So this is about all I'm gonna do in this video. I'll make a video about jailbreaking soon, but it's not gonna be part of this video. So stay tuned for a video about jailbreaking, and also stay tuned for a video coming very soon about me unboxing my replacement iPhone 14 Pro, as I got the back glass replaced, but Apple needed to send it off and ended up having it completely replaced. In the meantime, I've been using my iPhone SE 3rd generation, but honestly cannot wait to get back to my iPhone 14 Pro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next for this phone is a screen replacement. I'll have a separate video on that, but that will be coming in the near future. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was pretty short, but really nice to see another blue iPhone XR on my channel. I can't wait to make more content about this. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, as of right now, only 25% of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, as I really appreciate it, and it'll help me reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers. Anyways, enough yapping. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. More content on the iPhone XR coming soon. And as always, peace out, guys.